Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And today, like I mentioned in the Facebook post, I'm going to change this sign up to love maybe? Anyway, let's get going with this. I'm going to take one of our newer tools, which is a scraper, and I'm just going to spray a little bit of water and then take my scraper. See how it makes such a fast and easy way to take that old paste off. And then I just wiped it off with a towel. It left a little bit of a ghosting, which is just kind of like a shadow. I took our other tool, the board eraser, and took it right off. Now here's the transfer. They are reusable and they always have care instructions on the back. Now I'm showing you the sticky to the glossy of the backing. That's how you want to put it back when you're got it cleaned and you're all done. Now it's a new transfer, so it's very, very sticky. So I want to take some of that stickiness off so it's a little bit easier to pull off without rolling it or stretching it out. Now here I opened a whole new jar of candy apple red paste. And then I have bright white paste, and you just want to stir it. If you need to, if it's a little too thick, add a little bit of distilled water, just a little bit at a time. You want the consistency of yogurt or cake batter. Now first I'm putting white on the love and candy apple red on the heart. You want to make sure you cover all the netting, the silkscreen netting. You squeegee it on. Take off the excess, put it back in the jar. Now, to get that ombre effect, I put a little water on the mat and on my finger and just did a circular motion to blend it in. And then I took the squeegee to kind of clean it all off. And then I'm taking the transfer off, pulling it straight up and on the straight edge. And there you go. Easy peasy, right? Okay, now I'm just putting a little embellishment on the pillar. I'm taking some ribbon that's kind of a red and white buffalo plaid, making a bow, just a simple bow, like a bow you would put on your shoelaces. Then I'm adding a fake bow to it, because that's just easier for me, and just to cut a bunch of different strips, make a finish edge, and tie it on. Put the board back on the pillar and we're all done. And I love it. Can you see how the ombre effect, how it went from red to pink to white? It was so easy, easy peasy and fun. I wonder what I'll put on it next time. Thanks for watching.